Imagine a world where the climate crisis has risen out of control. A world where the decision we made or didn't make led us past the point of no return. In this video, we are not just talking about what might happen, we are diving into a future where it already has. First, let's journey to the frozen giants of Greenland and Antarctica. Picture this. Vast iceland stretching as far as the eye can see, slowly but surely melting away. Now, fast forward to a future where the tipping point has been crossed. The ice is melting at an unstoppable pace, raising sea level by meters, not inches. Coastal cities, think New York, Mumbai, Jakarta, are swallowed by the sea, and millions are forced to flee their homes. There is no going back, the ice is gone forever. Beneath the waves, a different tragedy unfolds. Our coral reefs, those vibrant underwater cities, have vanished. Warmer ocean and acidification have turned these once thriving ecosystems into barren wastelands. The species that depended on them gone. The millions of people who relied on the reef for food and income left without a lifeline. We have lost something irreplaceable. But it doesn't end there. As the planet warms, entire species are driven to extinction. The Amazon rainforest, once the lungs of the earth, becomes dry, barren land. It no longer absorbs carbon, instead it releases more into the atmosphere, accelerating the warming. Species we once took for granted, like the jaguar, the loon, are now just memories, victim of runaway climate. Our food supply is next. The once predictable seasons have turned chaotic, with drought lasting longer and floods more destructive. Crops fail, harvest decline, and hunger becomes a global crisis. Imagine principal foods like wheat and maize becoming scarce commodities. For many, the simple act of putting food on the table is now a daily struggle. As the world becomes less habitable, people are forced to leave their homes. Coastal floodings, desertification, and unrelenting heat push millions to seek refuge elsewhere. But where do they go? The influx of climate refugees strain resources, ignite tensions, and destabilize regions. Borders close, conflict erupts, and the world becomes a much more dangerous place. The global economy doesn't escape the chaos. As the impact of climate change mounts, economies start to crumble. The cost of damage is staggering, up to 23 trillion a year by the end of century. Entire industries collapse, unemployment soars, and the poverty spread like wildfires. The world as we know it, with its complex web of trade and finance, begins to unravel. With the resources declining, conflict erupts. Nations go to war over water, fertile land, and the few remaining resources. Geopolitical tensions rise, and global instability becomes the norms. What started as a climate crisis has now escalated into a full-blown humanitarian disaster. In some parts of the world, the heat becomes so intense that they are simply uninhabitable. Imagine the Middle East, parts of Africa and South Asia, once bustling with life, turning into ghost region where no one can survive. Entire cultures, histories, and ways of life are lost to the relentless heat. And then the oceans turn against us. The Atlantic meridional overturning circulation, an essential ocean current, grinds to a halt. Winters in Europe become harsher while other regions face unprecedented droughts. The balance that once sustained life as we know it is gone, leading to unpredictable and catastrophic changes worldwide. This is the future we could face if we reach the point of no return with climate change. But here is the thing, it doesn't have to be this way. The decisions we make today can still change the course of our future. It's not too late to act, but the window is closing fast. What kind of world do we want to leave behind? If this video moved you, don't just watch, get involved, share this video, educate others, and take action. Together we can make sure this story remains just that, a story and not our reality. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel.